Minu na oye sign language be gina ho. Nyamesam so be gina ha. Betna ha ya na waboa me na ya kan. Mum position me ho ye. Masa, stand. Nyamesam so me ne be wie. Wo me enu na me no be wie fa be wo so no. Abusia ade a ye frɛ no owuo ekom yaw amane aya na yen ya na yechechema ye ho ma me nka wentu mirika mfanko helicopter na crash ye no enura me tena asetie captain Mfojo ana whatever the name me hu say yen Ghana fo ene yekum nipa na wo helicopter dim Yenya na yekum won because afidie na na wotim no na nya papa. Papa ne say helicopter no met all the safety protocols but it lacked critical systems. Aba, brofu beni, ebe before Mami ka se minchira mo brofo na ya twe ne bebredi egu yetrim ni ya pampam no ene ye hawo Ose afidie no safety protocol ene man keten bi ebetumi ama afidie na tu na akodu ba bia ebeduro no de na ye correct na mom critical system chesa ade a edimu a se bibi besi akwanhye bi ba besi a ebetimi ama helicopter no atimi ehunu so obeba fom obekosoro obesi obegina no saa ne ma na anim to hwa na kum won who killed them ye kuma mani bo amakwa ye Ghana for me a part of it eno na me ka nipa bi say captain ano ye gimi and kosisa ye beti ase say ye nyansa ne kofam dwumidie katase hye pro ye ne kankanti ama ye gimi obi apeso odi ye captain smart nyaya anka media general ha ina ye ne dia abena nyamesam nyaya anka kra ina ye ne dia JB nyaya anka kumasi ina ye ne dia without thinking about other people obi anyaya anka baabi aya na ye bom pa ya se nyame baabi a me de be na besi bia fa ho ma me sa sister mpa fun ba na wo bo no baabi a wo beduru bia no do na si ho a nyame ngi ho nyina ma ho eti sa wo de wo firi safi wo firi gomu atakwa gomu atachima ntese me kwadwo smart na bedum kran na bedum na sinkran na nyame age nkran ina ama me na gama ncho ntena hin ni mani na me akwete eni na ake wo mo ntena hin di eye wo dia na sese nyame jema wo di enya wo dia you got no nothing and no meeting in fact I had an invitation to go that was been called eti journalist back we be me question mami say sanka sa critical systems no say wo helicopter di mu a anka nyenye bia no akwahia no ensi ana papa no ye presentation say ane sanka wo mu a anka ensi question is enti dent na enim sanka no wo mu a anka kwenhia no ensi enti adenti na enim na ye ma helicopter no etu ye boss are you ready yey sanka enu wo mu a komani bo ama onwu fa pictures no bra producer nyame hirawo manka ye ankyerɛw enkoma me no boy ne nya no na mekan akomani bo ama onwu kamutala onwu former deputy national security coordinator and the current deputy national security coordinator ka onwu anka me wo fa Samuel Sapon ka onwu na ye kura mantimi anko because am ko say ye na ka be ye ne ma bi ani kwansa me ye eti me sheda ye se me nko ti manko Yenia Samuel Abwaje, anka onwu obi a ne yira wo fresh. Asoja fo nim difo akase miensa wo yeto anka onwu eye yen Ghana fo ne yekum won. And I am expecting Nana Nabu the former president, to come out and apologize to the people of this country. And I am expecting John Dramani Mahama, the current sitting president, to also apologize to the people of this country. Both of them are commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. And they knew, based on certain reports, say those critical systems were not in that helicopter. Nanado Oyawe, John Mahama Oyawe. Say sa helicopter no sa nyema we aye ka ho asem yi na nya dwuma me ba ya me betena ha ka tro say helicopter no radar system nya dwuma wo mo ye no manual ye di matem ukrum ha sa ye ha afei bisante malose me o sa na nche malose frɛ me o say captain ono say asem na buro no so a o say captain dey dey come madam ho now ye dey na hu say radar ne nya dwuma dey na ma wodi hu ye dey na ma because pressure na fear bonten e ba no anu odin enya ntem my fault so be frame no be question me because the dwuma no but until I won't say that the other day committee na me nya member won't say them tem the reason is that here you will nipa wo kwahwehwe information you will nipa wo pay information and you won't confirm information and kasa ba omo me you san crofo ni bia helicopter no ade bi e betimi ama say beti atofom entofom na ba kokora ponim me be kan wa ha sa helicopter yi and a vice president Jena no opoku agiman ohuri tina mu elimina me bi sa soja ni senti ade yi ebeduru. And from Enra report, Jubilee House, I came to a very simple calculation and conclusion that we are not thinkers, we are tankers. Before, Makacho said the word Jimmy on this show, and yet it is always situated in a punctuated action that should have been emanated, expressed, impressed by somebody who refuses to obey. And to Jimmy na mekano enyatem didie on this show. You must understand. Yati committee in the Jubilee House. Except in area, Papa ne can say me say, as I say, yenya modern helicopters. Emma Ghana Armed Forces. Ewo. Eti yeti ani enim nyansa. Say helicopter no, na the time aso say ekọ maintenance. Time na so say ekọ ediko siesie. Na entento no, ye say Ghana Armed Forces. Efre won wan say ye de kọ China na ekọ siesie ni say munya abotre. Na mama ye be 100 hours. Enka ho na ye be sande aba. Yes, say a industry protocol. A acceptable. Maybe a Ghana man penny there. I told you last 2 weeks. Ghana Armed Forces, 1 billion. And yes, it is so, make dollars. Police service, $1 billion. Immigration, 1 billion. And only a minor logistics. Ye really operational logistics power proper there. Soldier for the ebekosoro, na police for atwaso, na immigration aba, na webe atwaso. We are just not thinkers. We are being so foolish in our own wisdom cortices. Yes, so the question says sikan ni ho, but Office of the Special Prosecutor in 1 year. Over 863 million Ghana cedis. Ono abetra ha kachen say oye case is 8. Divide 863 million by 8. Lawyer ben wo kromodi 80 million. Eye one case. lawyer there. Na ye ti krom ha na ye kokum ma ne bo ama ne ma me baba ko pete se me ahyem ya na me ye ho hwe nye ye ye kum ma ne bo ama Ghana for ye ne kum ma ne bo ama. And that thing the Kwetna Jubilee House fanfare yeah kind report was rubbish. Say sabro from Mekan and no awie no helicopter for fraba. Ye kum Samuel Sapon ne ma ko school wo school fees ye ntwa wie ye kuno Mutala Muhammad ne ma ye nkwala nketenkete ye kum Mutala Muhammad me ka ho wu ka ho ye ina ne kum won ina Joma ma ka ho na na do ka ho ye ne kum won. All because that particular helicopter lacked critical systems. Asamna brofuna papa kan what I say etisem Captain Smart to car. Yes me car be breaking ka. Tieni yo. Where a real potholes in ho. Mete airline bi. Jebi ko Singapore nansi ya ebisa no. So udru some mountainous area na. Wo ko Malaysia ne Singapore. Omo abipo be abipo makomako 89 o se bibi wo ho. Afasi udru baby asa mepo no wona na men ko hoda na president Kufuor mo adikan that time na FSOP Kwame Nkrumah osedai FPS osedebe Kwame Nkrumah na afi ne ye kwakoye president Kufuor mo adikan me ye show Kumase na sese me bedrum kran ansamatena plane mu akotoa wo mo e wo Singapore president Kufuor yai na dawroma akora me chia wo mache me bedru ye na so kojo mpeni ka say no flight so trem yebi me ame banda time me the antrack na buy afase man take them jelly pum then say from Kotoko International Airport potholes our runway so boom no problem merci for me me bags me quite another airline you dey me call Malaysia na me do you do say baby I say yeah mountain change so akofa answer no be do na pilot bi aka cho say mo akoma nto yem say catch the plane but the head be land dey hu ni say ho so plane bi aso ntinto ho da. But I say, Bisobia wako Malaysia, Bisobia wako Singapore. Afasi, plane no hu. E wo so te sabiti esi truck so. And am if yata go ye kokuma so triple team. Jesus! If yata go ye all night we play him. But sabe pass seminti ye see from no. As a pilot for no baby omo fasi. Ti me we ya me call them bisa say meet me ni pilot now dey buy no. Akasa. No say Annie. Is there anything I want to know? Any security thing? Well, they were asking a lot of questions because someone tells us say we are passenger and also person on the pilot kasa. I insisted. The pilot was an American. And so by the way, say, "Oh, you then to be maneuver through that turbulence." And I say, to say your catch your flight, the moon say, we should just relax. No, there are systems and applicable mechanisms. Our flight, the moon say, betia to forma or what you be near, enten to form. Say or kosro na bibi wo hoda betimi hana e wo de timi stabilize no or check be sa na na minimu do okay na sokra na menti ase na say are you eti enra captain no kasa answer na madwin call my first trip to Singapore with J Kufuor and me was a critical eti helicopter na e tontrowa na e make chance ye tontrowa helicopter na tu ye no na ye tontrowa ade ade de man say engineer start manage so rota na tumi atwa ne ho ma helicopter de to afa wiem but ade bi e betumi abo helicopter na nkasa ho ban eni ni pet mu no na Ghana ye ni bi ebusuafo ye nim nyansa na se de ne haye eno a me hwade de me koko eba na se ho na bebusa question nyama me na journalist bi me de to mitim ba bi rafi okobusa se opening patrol it is a critical system do senka ewo helicopter ni mu a anka ye betimi nya prevent accident na papa no bi na no se ane sanka sa ne ma no wo mu a ka helicopter no entofom ti ho na ku won me ka bibia se me ye won amabusuafo na ewu no mu ba ko egwa kwahye onobo samosapon yerechi me ye siwa ban cause this is murder. Ghana soldier form penny for me can't some na ya say o captain no ya me bu sasa Ghana Armed Forces Ghana Air Force penny for it is a helicopter ya na mu ye sure set me too na ya the papa American chance tontro wa na si we bisofo it is said na me catch na no Captain Smart kotu ni car no ni break ni wutia so a tie ba ko pe na echi light nso Captain Smart car no esi nyedwa sunsu oto tie biye sana na helicopter ntie ene de car na kosi bi poso na yi ni free the so car ni timi ko na nimu nti safe obi abetimi atrem because car na yi ni free helicopter na yi ni free nyansa bia because tie you say weather na nye enti wo mu delay take off no over an hour or an hour. Na pilot no kura no sro. Because o do baby a ade ani nya adwuma bibie ne ho ebetimi aboa no ama netimi save ono an ho ene ni pe wo helicopter ni. Enti try and error ena na ye. Na ye tikrom ha ye boy ye ho asafo hene. Afenyo-Markin ke kan kwase asem na ba ko no se fa ayarga ono so eyi ano na we kan se hunu na we yi ano na ye ti omem ha de sokromo twa den tuntum ko den tuntum bra da den dum de den kwase abrofo saa na ye ka okroma na ye kokum krofo ma nwotwe. Did you listen to Enu Ade na Koso Jubilee House no? I was so much ashamed of myself as a Ghanaian. And na me ra hosa be Ghana ni so wutie ni yi abewu say ya jimi Mr. Shando Fachabe e say me kan jimi ba kwa Mr. Shando for friend ya jimi how can you tell me this rubbish say Adiano it met all the safety protocols but it lacked critical systems Ghana for Saba ya ni friends o Canada o Ghana for Ghana for wachino we should hold Nadu and Mahama responsible for that accident. Omani Bob no defense minister no one can say we so tiasa kono so say holding responsible. Why? Ghana pen the post ni soldier ni obo etuo strong pa as etuo na jeso post ni kutetuo oto anto na obotuo na sum pa na etuo na jeso pay ono ka sa jeso pay na ntase ya chedo me ko kan si hey Captain Smart dear them. Me, if I were the president, this stupidity and this rubbish would never happen. Yabali Sena, Honorable Muntaka Mohammed, Interior Minister and Acting National Security Minister. Etri Kokotna appointment committee anymore it's a public accounts committee no I catch Ghana for you now say I didn't say yet no you were post for be crowd ha say what this film no di post say onhu tuo da onso tuo mu da enti say de kokra range say onkono kotutu a odi tuo no be fa wiem na ho interior minister won fere nyame unsura de na wakwa akotra akokasa ahusam hunu we na ye ja muntaka Muhammad no so ne nam krom ha saa me ye president dade na be kofie no, what is wrong with us? Ghana for that high. And there are some American chain. Then high. What is wrong with us? That partner here a problem. So minor your team say no. Say person at me deposit 30 years on who to that on so to muda. Na year fe, na interior minister, akwatna public accounts committee. Now you are telling the world say Ghana person when deposit 30 years on so to muda. Ebena Langats NGM fa. He 9 months so say sad tin ga he before brofo akese abbreviations akese 9 months ni yede National Anti-Illegal Mining den pasia brofo sa 9 months. Na imosi fa akwachi nipa na ye na ko police station na nkrofo timi yakobo chenku e wo police station ho MPC your friend say me na me friend Collins Dauda so say minim ho hwe MP so say enye obi a ne kan sa kire me na Collins Dauda say okwa yie and wentimi yankwa yie no and na me na say me kwa yie no ma no na me koduru akwantimfi no na wo sa sankwase asam ne koso. Now, interior minister Muntaka to Korea, acting defense minister, me wafa, ato forcing. Meaning na infantry for. National security coordinator, Razak, what we not to Korea. Na sankwase somewhere akoso. Say, a buying person fighting galam say, na most for, na crofo de two la illa, bismillahirrahmanirrahim, ashadu Allah. How I wish I were. Near to Korea. Now we are because say Ghana say fight no. We are fight to post for the soldier for no be asuru. How can you tell say a military officer, a police officer, a national security operative is afraid so be fight a crime? Hey Ghana for ya chino. Hey ya won too much. And me danyami aseso de me be free Ghana. Say me ya Ivory Coast din ka be ha me. Mekane ya chine wo patame memfa ho enti yesterday helicopter no it lacked critical systems. Ghana the man say oh fakosa nyame wo ho ebe yi patro nyankopon tu helicopter miswa emrebi na ye rally Pastor JWK Saki, the time I was Salt Pond. Na ye rally Pentecost ya kwa bonti we gwabado. Na amplify na ye de no. Ahuja eblo. Na elders video omonsa kugu machine na eja fam ne awa fam ne blo no andoro ba kabaya talaba sedere ba se atakaya dala we yesu dimu amplify we ye show ye de nyame adjuba yesu aka kire se bibia e bebi se woni dimu no na transistor yesu o me ye transistor yesu o nye resistor eja fam. Pastor JW Saki, Obia onim ni bia ni masama meken. Obobo ne white shirt so te so Obama. Na wa yesi, oye kokokoko ne ho fefefefef. O kabrofo brutal. Then ye botwene. That time na me ne Pentecost CCI general secretary Obobi. Na me bo bamboo. Ena no bo party sa na ye fre no. Ena ye wo guy ba ko wo mankesim CCI o mankesim dwomu ho. No bo side drum. Ye ne ensa na ye botwene. Bisobobi. Bisa general secretary says yeah. Pastor JWK Saki asam na make no. I said, what are you people doing? You praying for a destroyed amplifier? Stop that rubbish and go rent another one. Oh. And I remember vividly, clearly, without any ambiguity, that stop that rubbish and go rent another one. As I understand, nti mpɛ na yɛre bɔ pastor fɛdɛ ɔkyɛ dɛ nti yɛbɔ mpɛ na amplify na ɛgya afɛm nti ɔnyɛ yie ana ɛbɛy na sa amplify na ɛgya afɛm na ɔbɛyɛ yie a mpɔtwo ɛntina Pentecost wɔ lawyer ɛntina Assemblies of God wɔ lawyer national imam kura wɔ lawyer sɛ nyame tumi yɛ adeɛ nyinaa why do you have a lawyer? Hey, you do baby, as I say, you change your juma, said Nipa. Helicopter crash, yeah, you come nipa woman in America, John Mama Cajon, Anado Cajon, my facio to Kajabi count, yeah, you know, you come on, Ghana soldier from penny for an account. This is intentional, this is murder. What happened yesterday actually confirmed my suspicion. Because with him, I say, baby, I saw helicopter the fire, no. Saw a helicopter blue and white and I coffer gold to the fire. And then I know one of them. Papa no so kind. Say other aircrafts are the same space. Yeah, quite na honda brofaka say aerodome, aeronautics, aerodien, and solve a problem. Brofun solve a problem. Brofu ya de boy dwaman kasa wasa sisi o de boy dwaman ya ede eye brofu o na mboa se me hwe abranya se me dɔw on se mu odu je me ko hu tini ba me dɔw me dɔw e mu odu o oh honey I love you brofu ya de boy dwaman ya mfa brofu mmobra Brofu kasa ye de boy dwaman ye mfa mmobra eni pa te brofu okrom han na fa ye dwamanfo na am ka tell wo de he won TV so ka brofu no dwamanfo nko afa me kai me kai wa so wa wonim ba queen lady ba branch say wonim dwamanfo nko brofu ye de boy dwaman ye mfa brofu mmobra eti ye nananom tetefo na adua kokoo no wo si abrosan and now tenkran high dan wo sika na odi boy adwaman oh honey where are you can you get an Uber and just come home I just arrived and I feel so tired I miss you so much where are you can you come now kwase samsa ni akwaja Jubilee House a cabrofo. Now, what do you know what I want to see? Says Papa say, I see a Ghana Armed Forces for helicopters, Nina. Yes, a Sunday. Oh, you so soon. Huh? They were very charitable with their words. That man, I looked into his eyes on my screens and I realized that the man was actually being very charitable. Making sure, say, on Kabibia, Ebehadri. The question is that helicopter na ye ho amodia. Eti BBC ya Jubilee House me I am a communication strategist. So I dey be see am etiase. Adenti ne yama Air Force commander. Who na helicopter at top of one can want someone check Ghana for you na. Adenta. Hey, adena yama Air Force. Penny or down no. One can't check Ghana for it because helicopter no a top from say team abaya issue statement and Ghana Armed Forces for the issue statement. Yamono here, your friend on CDS, Chief of Defense Staff, son on so to and then Yamana and communications minister said that of communications at the Jubilee hey Abra Sebu Kwamanka say MP no. Hey oh kwacho fuso so fusu kwache whichever way. Afenyo-Markin kind the credentials of Papana under a civilian. Where this soldier, Parita, defend captain, So plane no tree and your friend the captain do. Say there hey or your captain. We are not still enunti. The man is fit. Say obe deliver information. We need to person watch today. Your person watch in and say any pada eba beka 701. We jai soldier for na one from meka no could be any concern Ghana 40. Number 2, yeah we was soldier for mu be seen ne. Because we have actually politicized the Ghana Armed Forces. Okay? Police is yeguno. Police is egu. Police is egu. Because Ghana ni be na fa police ni ho. Ba wo de kwa America. Na police ni nka cho se pull over. Na wo so wo ye bema so wo papa ye Donald Trump nti wunjina. Ghana pe and ye do barrier. Ye tumi bo aben pin na police ni huri. Den ni we janche na kai twam. Hey, Ghana for ya chino. Ghana pe and the police ni barrier wo ho. Police checkpoint. Na ka so anu no de aben ba pin na police ni ehuri esi nchen anya ye bekunu Ghana pe police aduma na gu Ghana pe na mate di o mate Ugo approach FM conductor yeah friend mate we need to friend mate nche
because mate there
me imagine one person with mate as mate say classmate to say form mate to say course mate to say dey friend mate no problem. Maybe something na nakwa kubi no say dey friend mate your friend mate mate say one wa wo do on track ba ya no motete ade no so no your friend mate for no na ya any mate nti wa dey your mate your friend mate na mate ni etime esi afikam na police ni a ote moto so na ne helmet hye na mate ni etime esi na wa bo police ni no blows na yet your man na ya yedi post ni bi wo Cape Coast your friend Tenkorang I want your friend say me your story no crowd fi hayai mam me hwehwe din no me both bibia edi ni beba your friend King George or Cape Coast wudi ma dey see here when we say encrophobic tikam na speed na o me di fi Elmina ho eba no BBC ena ono nso tu ni car odi wo machi Peter ena o stop car no o stop car ne pe se no ya latani na latani ni bie ne car no twe brantan se kan Kotoko eti otuka na police na didachi otuka na police na didachi ena obo mo friend at once break eno menti ase at once break ena police no de car na ball akwane to ena osie na oyi ni to akwane jam se kan say na police dey dodge ye no ma warning shot woni ma dey see ye Ghana police service for free police ni ka kire say dey ntina o ma warning shot na say bala tani na ena owu ya nke ye be dey nti ya interdict o kwasi asem say ya. That is why me, if I were the president, the service will go away. We'll have the Ghana police force. What would be to Ghana? No, yet to come a police not driver, police ni a ojira kwenfimfia or check is a crime back off from na taxi driver will go for the abonten so or the taxi na sa police ni na say na police ni da bonnet so no the name. Hey, Ghana for ya chino. Yeah, the neko. Yeah, to come ha, it's like on trot driver. And say car near DSPB DNT. Or the trot no, bang my or the police in the fan yam ni so and yam ni tim and son of fan to PA. E kumno, basing the Ghana Police Service for say car near you. Actually, a fire service for the year, Juma, I expire. Actually, I would just wait a year. Nayama or Barbesia, one woman swimming aquafro actually, naturally, any unifree soro. the number shift from secret the other patra na kwa be wo ho no wawu the we say nyame na dema nyame na eche ye kum no all because atwede no I expire. Ghana pen fire service ni kodum ja oni backpack oxygen wo mo de be hye ne hwene into kodum ja no watwe nwusie na kono musa mi oyare no be wu ade na busu fa ka chense wa hu kwase ani mu wa hu suba nti na wuwo no nyame na atua ne ka abrante we osua opaye obi ball oya akola ketwa no obi ball opa no yama wusie akofa service ni mu ye kunu okrom ha na ye de akɔhye 1820 tab no oya obo akola ketwa obo amambo so je ni be ko peacekeeping na tua kanenan obeba ni sika asese ye de ma no ye mfa ma no I will sit in this country and we say that ye nyamesomfo ye abodamfo wa wonte ase na mahwem biemu ye nyensa wo fam immigration officers no call na yabo apata immigration officers they are in charge of homeland security ukwa borders so a ye bobre na oba baby oda no heat aba enti oda soro sei na wakata nani na we bebie ne uniform na kakra na se na wowo afro apata no na wowo no etia kogu ne bo ewuram sei wo se na ho ayew na ye wie ya a whole controller nya de wo ho sesi yi o say a occupational hazard mpacho okọ training no ya de snake training a occupational hazard and then come back OSP as am fanto e chameto aso we a occupational hazard ma po adwuma me kofie last year time na ye assembly ni no say after 6 me kofie jinja bon komo sa fine girl bi besra me tina jan sam mi jan ho akọ na ye me ya tina nkomo no mapi ye bon komo sa hwa ba na nim din na mitum ka akọ na ma sansa machi na ma ba na ma behwe na nim sa bon komo sa aba no so no ho ofe o na me kono na me hu say police patrol team no nam yerem ho because hwe ya aposi 49 on to pick up back 9 post for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 on to pick up them Ghana pen di post it na bucket him bucket so ye di dware na 4 akere so na 4 na akere so no wo ye sergeant to post eti inspector at the front and a lance corporal air driving and a sergeant 4 and so tato ho and a lance corporal na ka chire do do mgu bucket dim meanwhile president bi organa ha bi akodu Dubai da mako America mako UK edu say ye ntua tax de a mo say ye nhwe say de America for tua tax but edu say ye boy ye ho ban de a and the mudafi Possibly so na that dia bia wo sit wa so na tade no atete na se na niam agode what are not pick up no what police na tar o so marate na se na niam agode what are not now we hear any akwanje on the captain me na me nya adwuma bi a nye o ntama me ko post me nya adwuma papa bi ya me jai security officers I work Ghana hwe wo me de pain na ye adwuma wo me de yaw na ye adwuma o mai ben no o mai ben soldier ni de yaw na ekwa adwuma post ni de yaw immigration officer de yaw prison officer de yaw obi akwa adwuma or de yaw na kwa adwuma adan why Last week, police ni baby baha, obekọ retirement, mami penny. Afase, obaya yesi bibi the high pitches. Sani e kano. Yesi omoto TV ne fridge ne ade, ye friend high pitches. Na ade ba ko a otoye no, wetua ho ka 6 years ni. Wa trokrata ko head officer tra wa trokrata ko controller kwa. Influencia TV ba ko, ye that no. 6 years on that. Hey. On that TV ba confiance. On troko be asu ko jupo. What dem jupo? Judicial police. Kojupo. Wa kojupo sa confiance TV ba ko na ba ne say na police ni kura no ade okoto TV high pitches. Say am no ka say wo mo rent kura yentu ai. Apostle for a soldier for immigration, fire service, and the prison service. Yentia omo rent. Fe pa kwesi na busa no. Na menene kwa asori bi ewo dansoma ho. Ono apa kwesi na hihia guy bi friend David the worshipper. Na ye kwa na asori wo dansoma. Eho na mkoshi ya mod no. Yako. Ye do sa roundabout na what dansoma. Nya dansoma ba ko bi wo tra dansoma roundabout okwo ani mo kakra. Another roundabout bi o me nim hodin. Asa wa fa ho say baby wa ko baby a DJ Willie in sport no wono that side no. Ye via ye obi ni amegu abonte na kwa no so me hwe na amsa na ma chopa na ye ni amegu abonte. Me hwe no ho no she prison service. Down. And I said desert boot. Pa kwesi hwe manim. Me hwe anim. Pa hwe manim. No ma hwe dem so no, pa mesi, dem see here. Dem ko bi sasa de o say, "Oh, captain. We de nyame na yi wa ma me say nyame yi mi hwe ma o. Me kwa so mfa me hye me. Nyame yi mi. Nyame wo yi mi hwe ma o. Me mfa no me hye me mfa camera me na me kwa sorry." Adanya prison officer efewure tunu. Prison officer efewura we two prison officer we tunu. Peter was stand in Yamego Abontain. And to say that Brand and Sika said Yamin you are man so okay. Would they nyahe? Kabe kwa so we de nyame yimiama. Then beside fewura and say then also the cast 6 months. They be a buy between rent no. Abayin famba. They be abayin between rent no. Abayin famba. 6 months no bosume say also 550. 550 Ghana. Bosume 550 Ghana. Pa kwesi hwe no say papa. Asa na o. Papa we die. Yen senchene. Papa we yen dada. Papa yen senchene. Let me see me be me person. Let me 5,000. Emma, if you run, some patrol or a prison officer or a security officer. Oh yes, sir. Oh man, I quite say yembu prison officers, yembu your security officers no. Some patrol and yes, sir. Was a captain I check. Now a whole prison officer, me a dear be a mete. Now what that form? Captain that was in Yamin Shroud. Now weekend here woman in your name in Macre Besrami. Intika aquada ketwa. Hey, Ghana for. You now a security officer. You do. Now a year fair, yet to chrome her. Obi tiri so say me share police for me and some tiri aboon. Me ye penny man penny, me ye kun. Me catch your plane. Some ye Ghana man penny that all the one saka police ni. Would your body be go to the police station and report. But what the one saka obi or share uniform, me ye kun. Me catch your plane. So what bodama? Say it was I say I'm say for akobotchi, akodra police station. You best spray colors e gumoso. Sa kala no. Yeah. Yenku ye be pop kala se gumu so. Enti wo dware a je be 1 month as sa kala no be ko. Enti ye hwehwe wa ye be hu. Ya chimu nyina bankran. No. Maybe I'm telling you what I will do and it will happen. Sankawa helicopter na miwem na kala na su green wom, red wom, yellow wom, na kala na gu so fine. Oh my comment me anya he colors no machi gu ye so yo ade be kire na ye he colors. Ye fawa na ye do bankran. Ye anasa nsohie tutu na ye bogum so. Because adema bodam munim nyansa magimi. Say obi a president John Dramani Mahama but anya hwe MP na wo sa we mu ho no ono ne hwan mu na wo munim hu bi wo na wo munim hu bi but the sign Ghana politics nti ye ba ma say wo ye MPs wo ye ministers wo medi nkwase asem krom ha obi anka hwe nkyina wo hey me ye president by now MP do odaga room soldier for the military police the because that soldier for can ho DSP or yeah call by now also the guard room. Now for national security for her colors no. Red yadoba, yellow yadoba, green yadoba. We ya bema go to America. Now catch them say post ni ejina when jina. Why? Who born dog? Sir, me Captain Smart. Who are Land Cruiser to ba pay na police in here who yes in chain. Helicopter na talk from no. Here Ghana for you kuma mane boama. Here you come somewhere from Abuaje. Soldier for me ensa. Innocent military officers. You come wonkwa. All because the helicopter lacked critical systems. Hey, Ghana for ya chino. Now, presenters let me so call and say when the crash happened, there was this rumor. Where you are going there to confirm rumor. Ghana Central for so whoa. Presentation here, papa you want to confirm rumor. Oh, my name is Yeri Atageno. And now, and this phobia feels helicopter crash, you know, the reporter call, do you know what that means? As some papa can't even actually say, or mine, you knew Yansa, you kum nipana na helicopter them. Because helicopter, no, you say it met all the safety protocols, but it lacked critical systems. Ebe. Yet your man, easy boss. Your first say, I drink quail too. Your first say, I drink quail day. I drink quail, there's a mensa. I drink quail mensa. Or to say, Menkan James and can catch an amente. You can't drink quail, no problem. No, I drink here this morning. But James, now on what to me out in a bag. I could touch soldier. Now, soldier could a handbag. Soldier near says okuta tuo. Okuta handbag. Odi the easy boss e Jimmy. Me kwa kaya se kojo smart no ya. Anti bi into the course he say if it is not me, it is what? Soldier ni kuta easy boss or handbag. No easy boss no. Oba wona ma handbag nya wona opese okuta. What be that? Me yere ne wona handbag. Se mejia na meji because ebia bibia si. Anasa wo kotena kam. Me yere ne wona wo kotena kam a. Me ma nkuta handbag bifa kotena kam. Meji handbag ne kuta. Na me bie door na ma. Na watena se. Na me the bag ne si wanim. Na me do seat belt na ball. Me wi a na ma pagya wo bag na ma. So wa person odi si una so ana odi esi wo person odi si ekire na me so so wo person odi si ekire ane na ma je handbag dey sekire say na be metimi me nsa fa wo sere ho cause me na me driving me driving car no. So certain things must appreciate my driving. Na me tweet me say fa wo sra ho kakra. Cause me and maybe a program na me de what my bow seat belt. Na me bisa sa bag no. Esi wenim ha me fancy una so adam fancy akire ho. Wo ka say me fancy una so amenya because me nya access to sra ho. Na tweet me say fa wo sra ho. Na so de ni kuta oba handbag. Na efi so oba de post. Ejimi Madam for back with the better TV so afasi me call here. My boy ben epi obi am yebunu. Na ne ba baby. Me hwe ya post ni che ono wo fufu tim. Post ni we dwa top de free so. And the post ni gina okuta woman no gina fufu so de tim. Ha! Babies, then away. Ase me uni ase onwo. Possibly jina fufuo so na owo fufuo me hwan ye de ne koso onkobo ban etuo ne twere wall ho na possibly wo fufuo no ni ma so possibly ka me ra ho yo say captain my hands are me bi ni o etuo ne twere wall ho and possibly jina fufuo so na tim hey Ghana for ya chiro. Oh fufu. Hey, yeah, the sad say oh my no. And we think we are joking. This is not a joke anymore. Helicopter the year you come nipa wo mu no. Na na do no Mahama ka ho. Because na do the ja ho, na Mahama beto aso. I said that Edra, me tia dendim so say padisi. Ebia obi ati obefa ne tra me tia asema me mfa tra o. Osio helicopter no e ko ba bi ba ko. E baaye, e san ko bi e baaye. So we're taking about the medical records and the psychological position of the crew, and then we check that they need to rest 8 hours before any flight. But when they came, they had a full day, so they had about 24 hours before they took off from Accra to their destination, and then the Chelsea soldier for the munya time rest here. When the catcher says soldier, they done one question or rest. Yet, when I say you rest, who told you Saturday we rest? Granted, they rested. Critical system, no, now way. Critical system. Yay. Critical system now fast now way. Yeah, the akwesi menshia na sana wosahi. Critical system. Any helicopter ni na yakwatena ho na ya wasting Ghana for time ya camera for akase. By now, there's an apology letter flying all over. And the Deputy Minister of Defense by now, an apology letter and am soldier for in Afenyo to come achieve the CDS. Any Air Force penny or Miami class, me form mate, me course mate to cry. By now, come apology and I'm real because I met that. Because Ghana, the Nyami Baye, sister, they be a me catch her, Nyami on me see from Maya Hibium. Papa no born you way, or ya de fufro, way mu, or by ya de fufro, you born you 21 days no woo. Nyami Baya de fufra, and what dream? As I said, my what dream yet, Juba, and I made the papa na on a present day report, and I say, Papa, I salute you. You earned my respect yesterday. I love you. Minimu, Michelle, baby, I made that for my mouth. Journalist say, Sanka critical system no helicopter anymore. And can you bet me prevent accident now? Or say, Annie. Accident in see. Say, Sadia no helicopter anymore. Accident no, Kainsi. Incident na enim. Omaya kenoforiata nko a etimi gi bonds nko a $11.7 billion. Ye ne critical system e helicopter ba ko pem. Helicopter ba ko pe. Ba helicopter na Peter e kokofa gold ne ba ma politicians ni wi bi won kran ne de e wo sa system no na anti antofam. Sa blue and white na kofa gold no efi the same oboase o. Sa helicopter blue and white no and na ko oboase kofa gold ne ba. And no de e wo critical system anti ama mesanuama anti bi every day our critical system o enti se kofa gold ni be sikukure ye be bi awie enti eno de enti ntofam ba ya kokum omane boama ye kum won we eye meda. This is murder. The heads of the Ghana Armed Forces, you guys should bow down your heads in shame. So Jenny Penibia, from the CDS to all the whatever commanders, the Army QAS, Chief of Army Staff, to the Naval commanders, to the Air Force commanders, you guys should bow down your heads in shame. You knew this rubbish. You knew it. That this helicopter lacked critical systems, but it was flying all over this country as if everything was okay. Well, enyamo faulta. Ebi amo Torkonu na bayanto. Mwa. Ebi amo Torkonu abayanto. Enipa bi a watra sa helicopter ni mu that is me. And one ye de kwa sogli. Tobu ya fede ne plant wo matram ye de yakoda. And one ye de kwa sogli. Ebi ade soldier for that trako abai na anto. Ba Akufo-Addo de nam kuro yim. Defense minister, former defense minister sa akwa na defense say. Hey. Neti wool on nam kuro yim. They were using the same helicopter. Sir, critical system no. I say over 1 year. Yes, I say over 1 year. Let us say as a Mahama Babium. And a Mahama Suba no man no the first minister who said I say over 1 year or some them. Alatachum, kutu, alatachum, kutu, tam. Na, ya be kam brofo, yenye dey, mo be say dey. Brofo na am kokan Jubilee House, paso be na o. Papa na no twe. Se afi wo Jubilee House, na say na obedanka. Se mu ni ma me ka kire mo. Ghana for me, oh, I na me ka sama, I na crofo di agro, na crofo sere. Ba wan na no time, wo mo ne o mentu aka. Nti akwa na kwotwe bi ni jaka na si ho. Okwotwe jasi ho. Wa nti national security, o mu ne bi ni tanka. National security ni bi ni tanka. Aka ede tweka, ede twibini. National security ni ka ede twibini. Na kwa ya kwatwe bi ni wo Jubilee House we jaka de secontive. Osimi ntu na hwa kan ya de ntia se ya dem kai ntu ai. Nti bi ni ka ni ntu. Ose ya ntu ya na Akufo-Addo ko so se na obeda ni bi ni ka ho ka. What is wrong with us? Them pan higher day. Na yet with Jubilee House. Akufo-Addo time. Na yet said $1 million ya de ton chene. Enchene a wu ya mo aduane a na se enchene anti aduane de kakra betum. Enchene. Salt, $1 million. But critical systems, yentimi anto. And share helicopter, mane kum nipa 8. That yet Sikrom has said a accident. This is murder. And your accident to be a murder. Murder. Omaya yetimwa. Ministry of Agric. 2024 what to us house 100 million Ghana cedis a year Peter yes yehu so abesi ne no be per hotel Asante aka ho no be per hotel Asante aka ho by yehu 100 million what was I na see bibia by friend hotel ba umia dia say yampa na ba me so sa kwagya Kotoko international airport me koye yi gate say ko hotel once abra wo ko hotel ho ba se me bia ma yi gate na yi gate na yet one yes you spending $80 million ye dia koye yi gate e wo Kotoko international airport yi gate no so yi gate na yet krom ha na critical system or helicopter entimi anto Abai say Peter, me wo $250 million. But $250 million no. Me fan kotom fidie o. Ba me de be rent. Me de be kwa kotua rent. Na keno frata ni akufado. Any former local government minister kwa fence. Akufado local government minister fence. Say there be o. Ye nko nkoto. There were $250 million da ho by the rent equipment Mumbai and Toby. Eti yakofen fidie ba be say for the drip machines. Na Ghana for any age say the drip aba. Drip na nya bind ye han. Drip do ye free ye han. Eti $250 million na sanka this would assembly subscribe 200 per crown ye betumi atama one. Ye ntimi ntona 100 na rent. Say drip zoom lion can who say kukuru obechini na ne dia zoom lion dia ana kofa ba na ban han but you bet you waste $250 million besi the zoom lion kwan san tuanka say go no so onyo obechichi this assembly ceremony careful obechichi yakọ you be pack ni na won kran me amebo no me presiding elder no elder ko chichi mebo am ya park me kura me de grofo me ya be horo ho fine na esisi ho yellow kura wo me ni Pentecost ye colors na ye fine pa yellow ye chichini na abra ebisha foi change when it is denied or too long delayed violence will break out here and there, not that the men planned or willed it, but the accumulated grievances would erupt with volcanic fury. We are there.